Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Fans of the TV, it's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Al Ahly 0. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also click the link in the description to become a member. I'm joined by Koke.
Yeah, ngiyabonga Sithibo. I've been longing ukuthi ngithole lethuba leli ukuthi ngibe ku platform yakho. Before I go any further, ngicela abafethu ningifollow uKoke ku TikTok. Khuluma ibhola, siyayiphula, siyahlanganisa. You know, we analyze, we do everything. And then we're gonna go to the game. Also follow me. Ngicela ungifollow wena ukuthi ku YouTube, follow me on also Instagram, Ayanda Mgidlana, YouTube and Instagram, and then uKoke ku TikTok. Kulanga nama video khona amaningi. Sithibo into engibonile mina game namhlanje we knew sonke silana ukuthi Al Ahly is going to come nge low block and try against a transition, ama counter attack and try to hit Sundowns ngama counter attack. But Sundowns was resilient, you know. They managed to avoid ama counter attack, but also it was hard to penetrate in the middle of the park. I think ukuthi uAdams, uAlende, noMkwena, no Ribeiro, they were tight in the middle. You know, they made sure ukuthi they block with ama passing channel about all in the middle of the park. Also bringing on Ushiyabala. That's when now the game started opening in the middle of the park, because you know Ushiyabala is a special player. He was carrying the ball in the middle of the park. Now attention was no longer good Ribeiro. The attention was no longer on Alende. They will be able to be free again. That's why Bagwas Ugdala, as you see Ushiyabala. That's when you start seeing Sundowns fluent in terms of passing. I think onto a second leg, Ushiyabala being in the game is going to be very important. I think Uguti also no Alende being in the game, no Ribeiro being in the game is going to be very important for Mamelodi Sundowns, because in the second leg, that creativity, that bossing, we say a game in Megayenza, Maizopeli game. That's what we need from the beginning of the game. I don't see any danger with Al Ahly. We go to our stats. One of our brothers was talking about our other coach, Urulani. I mean, Urulani last season, Utrama game 8. Waluzi game 1. Equals to Urulani lose 19 points. So far, also this season, Utrama game A1, Uluzama game I3. How many games are points are losing? Around 7 to 8. So one winner must pick a pole position. One on a pole position. Urulani was rating between 60 something, 60, 65, 64. Sure. 60, yeah, not every game, my brother. Not every game. Between 60 to 70. Sure. But look at Cardoso. What is Cardoso rating?
Defending. Always.
No, you're wrong, my brother. You must go and check your stats. Cardoso, my brother. Go and check your stats. Don't speak your emotions. Don't speak your emotions. Don't speak your emotions. Don't speak your emotions. Speak your brain. If you go and check the stats, Cardoso go on from Coach Pito to Coach Rulani and Cardoso, his average position is 600. Go on, come back, me passing yak. Yeah. What are you saying? Even in this game, even in this game, I have not checked the stats, but I can tell you for fact, it's Sundowns made on multiple position. You can go and check the stats. Every game that Sundowns played, Sundowns is the only team in South Africa opponent. We're Esperance. What is that? It tells you something. There's something good we are doing. We have to remember. The thing is that Masandawana and disappoint. You are disappointing me, guys. Sundowns almost got kicked out in group stages. Guys. Masandawana disappoint guys. Mele sikhumbule ukuthi Sundowns icishe yakhishwa ku CAF Champions League. Sundowns icishe yakhishwa ku CAF Champions League kuma group stages. Cardoso was the one that saved us. Remember, Messi team that was a joke. Ewina ngama 1-0. Yeah. Remember that. Yeah. Meswina ngama 1-0 Masandawana. Manje sabuya February sawina ngama 4-0. Do you remember that? Yeah. So singazolahla coach wethu bafethu ithi angeke win. I want to tell you something. Sundowns was once relegated. Serious? 1980. It spent 6 years with relegation and they come back. So you have to remember something, but you must know your history. Bafethu ukuthi sibuya kuphi ne Sundowns ngithola. Sundowns if you get relegated and became 7 times champion, it tells you something about the spirituality team lena. Ningathatheli phansi ngiyabonga Masandawana.